Hi, I am Dr. Arsalan and today we are going to solve the MCQs on musculoskeletal system. The very first question is, there is a central nucleus per cell. Given options are smooth, cardiac or skeletal muscles or all of these. So if we look into the question, there is a single. It means that the single nucleus is there and it is present in the center of the muscle cell. If we see the skeletal muscles, these are multinucleated, having many nuclei per cell. While cardiac muscle, the nucleus is usually peripheral. And in case of smooth muscles, there is a single and central nucleus. So the correct option is A. The smooth muscles bear a central and single nucleus per cell. Next question is, the average length of muscle cells in adult human is. So you know that the muscle cells are the longest cells in the body, and among these three kinds of muscle, the skeletal muscle, smooth muscle and cardiac muscle, the skeletal muscles are the longest one and are elongated fiber cells. So here the skeletal muscle length is asked in particular. Given options are 2 cm, 5 cm, 10 cm or 15 cm. So average length of the muscle cells in adult human being is 2 cm. Option A is correct. Next question is, small spaces present in the matrix of cartilage are called dash. In case of cartilage, there is a matrix or energy-rich solution present in the cartilage cells, and in this matrix there are certain spaces. These spaces are asked here. Given options are vesicles, endothelium, perforations or lacunae. Vesicles are fluid-filled sacs present in the body. Endothelium are the epithelium lining the blood vessels. Perforations are foramen. These are the openings or holes present in the bones for nourishment. And lacunae, these are the small spaces present in the matrix of cartilage. So the option D is correct one, that the lacunae are the small spaces present in the matrix of the cartilage cells. Next question is, Zewisch line are also called as Z line. Z line or Zewisch line, it is the line of demarcation. Line of demarcation means line of differentiation of dash region of the skeletal muscles. Simply he is asking about the Z line, where it is located in the skeletal muscles. So given options are A band, also called as anisotropic band, are commonly known as dark band. And we know that there is M line in dark band, not Z line. I band is called isotropic band and also called as light band. Light band is demarcated or separated by the Z line. So the option B is correct one. Third option is both. First option is none of these. So the option B is correct here. It suits best that the I band or light band, it is separated or demarcated by the Z line. Next question is, M line or medial line, it exists in dash muscle fibers. Given options are thick, thin, both or none of these. It should be kept in mind that the thick bands, these comprise the M line, or M line exists in the thick bands. So option A is correct. Next question is endomysium. It's a layer, it's a protective layer surrounding the dash. Given options are muscle bundle, muscle fibers, myofilaments or fasciculus. So again, it's a fact-based question and it should be learned by heart that the muscle fibers, these are surrounded or protected by the endomysium. In order to learn these two questions, which particularly belong to the structure of skeletal muscles, you should watch my video on the structure of skeletal muscles, which is link of which is given in the description box. You must watch this video for clearing your concepts regarding the structure of skeletal muscles. Otherwise, you won't be able to solve these MCQs on the structure of skeletal muscles. Next question is, longest bone is femur, while smallest bone is dash. Given options are incus, malleus, stapes or ossicles. It's an informative question because the information given here is that the longest bone in the body is femur bone, present in the thighs, while the smallest bone is asked here. As you know that the smallest bones, these are located in the ears, and all these bones, these belong to the ear bones. Incus, malleus and stapes, these are the three small bones present in each ear, which are collectively known as ossicles. And out of these three bones, incus, malleus and stapes, again the smallest bone is the stapes bone. So option C is correct, that the stapes bone present in the ear is the smallest bone of the body. Next question is, the smallest muscle in the body is. Given options are gluteal muscle, deltoid, radialis or stapedius. Again, it's a very simple question. The gluteal muscles are present in the buttock. These are thick and large muscles. Deltoid muscles are present in the biceps. Radialis muscles, these are present on the radius, while the stapedius are the muscles associated with the stapes bone. So this option is correct one, that the stapedius muscles present on the smallest bone of the body, the stapes bone, are the smallest muscles too. So these were some important MCQs regarding the musculoskeletal system of the human being, and don't forget to watch my video on the structure of skeletal muscles, which is highly significant in solving these MCQs. Thank you.